I have many titles. I guess technically I'm the president of Devil May Care Brewing Company, but also one of the owners. I am also the general manager. I'm also a floor mopper and delivery person and brewer and etc. etc. I got together with my friend Steve years and years ago. We started brewing homebrew together and doing lots of beer nerdy things together. And we just decided that, hey, we were actually getting pretty good at this. He had a lot more experience than I did at the time. So he helped me raise my game. I helped him raise his game, I think. And we just decided, hey, let's give it a shot. Let's do this for real. This place means so much to all of us. You know, I've been in places where they don't have a good solution for removing water or removing grain from the area. It creates all sorts of problems. I mean, one, you could infect your beer with bacteria if you're not clean. Two, it's just a pain to work in. You don't want to be up to your knees in water at any given time, or having to walk through huge amounts of waste material. So yeah, it's huge. It's everything that we do it's industrial manufacturing, right? So it has to be clean. There's water, there's chemicals, there's all sorts of stuff on the floor. The faster that gets into a drain, the better off you are, the better off your product is. So to me, it's removal of all that stuff and having these big long drains that span the length of your production space. It's perfect. And we have two of them, and I can't tell you how many times we've been saved by both of them, where we've splashed stuff everywhere, and it's just a quick cleanup because you can just squeegee everything into the right place. Oh, it's been super easy actually. And when you think about trench drains and things like that, infrastructure pieces that they don't sound like they should be easy. So you folks have made it way more easy than it probably should be to do those things. It was very easy to get in contact with you. The purchase support was awesome. The manufacturing was super quick. It was faster than we thought we were going to get them. Post-purchase support has been awesome. Installation support was wonderful, where we were able to take pictures of things, send them to you guys, find out if we were doing them right or wrong, or where we could improve them. It's been great. It's more support than we get from a lot of companies. So a big one is the ability to load bear. So we can drive our forklift across them, which is was our struggling point with grates and things like that, because most grates can't take the weight of a forklift. So the fact that we can do that, that's huge. Yeah, the ability to filter things out, because we drop gaskets and tri-clamps and all sorts of stuff down those drains all the time. So the fact that it's got a catching basket at the end of every drain makes so much sense. So basically we start a brew at 8 in the morning, when we clean up at 6 o'clock in the evening, drains are in use. Cleaning up, throwing the slot hog in there has been so easy. We've used it so many times. It's just great. We just flush hot water down there, and it just, smooth as butter, just cleans everything right out without making a huge mess everywhere, right? And that's a big one too, is you don't get water everywhere in your facility. You can just drop the little thing in there and let it go. Our whole brew team appreciates how easy they are to use and how much time it saves us in a day.